Hi, I'm Bonnie,
Hi, I'm Karishma.
and we did our Science of Cooking project on Paleo macaroons. The reason that we chose to do this project was because we were interested in exploring sort of the trend towards healthy eating, and one of those trends is paleo, which is basically the paleo diet is where you only eat foods made from all natural ingredients. And so we decided to do paleo versions of macaroons because macaroons are a very popular dessert that they have a very distinct taste and texture, so we decided to explore like the paleo versions of it.
So, the basic ingredients of the regular French macarons are sugar, cream of tartar, egg whites, and almond flour. And in order to make a paleo alternative, we basically substituted the sugar with raw honey and the cream of tartar with lemon juice and lemon zest, which all have acidic properties.
So what we did was we ended up baking a couple of batches of macarons. The first batch was a batch that was basically the original macaron with the sugar and the cream of tartar. Everything was exactly as the recipe stated, and we used that sort of as a control group to compare our subsequent batches with. So then after we baked the original batch, we baked a couple batches that were paleo versions where we replaced the sugar with honey and cream, and we replaced the cream of tartar with lemon juice and lemon zest, and we sort of altered the amounts of honey that we use and the lemon juice and lemon zest to see how that would affect the different things that we were looking at compared to the original recipe.
So we conducted 4 experiments, and the first test was on the amount of air bubbles that the regular macaroons and the Paleo French macaroons yielded before the batter was cooked and after the batter was cooked. The second test we performed was a breaking point test on the macaroon shell. And the third test we did was a test on viscosity via spread test. So we crunched up the baked macaroons and put in water and stirred them so that we could mimic the mouthfeel. And then the final test we did was a taste test. And we basically found that the Paleo French macaroons had both a higher breaking point and a lower viscosity than the regular French macaroons. And we think this may be because of the contributions of honey and lemon zest, which tended to yield more air bubbles. And this was shown under the microscope when the Paleo French macaroons had a greater amount of air bubbles than the regular French macaroons.